Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are fine and doing good with the great health. I'm here with my another video, and today my video is about different length of pencil heel in really beautiful design and different color combination that look really amazing and really pretty. And as you see, this red color heel looks really nice, really beautiful, shiny thing. And as you see, this one is also a really beautiful V shape from the front that looks really pretty. And as you see, this color looks really nice, really beautiful shade of brown, and the shiny thing that make it color more beautiful. And as you see, this one is also really nice silver color heel, and this combination looks really pretty. And this one is also a really nice pink color, and this heel looks really beautiful, the shiny thing that look really amazing. And this one is a really unique kind of thing on the top, and this heel looks really different and really beautiful, like stones kind of thing that look really good. And as you know, heels are that type of footwear that you can wear in every occasion, and with your every kind of dress you can wear heels, and it make you more amazing, make your outfit more pretty and beautiful. And as you know, heel come in various kind of textures and pattern or designs, and in like very different kind of color combinations. And heel can provide you a temporary height boost, and from this video you can get some ideas about the different kind of heel that can help you to upgrade your wardrobe and make it more amazing and make it more fantastic. And as you see, this black color looks really nice, and this one is also a really light shade of pink, the really beautiful shade in the pink color. This blue color heel looks really nice, and if you're a high heel lover and every kind of a footwear lover, so in this platform you'll find them in really beautiful design and different color combinations, so do check them. Comment below which type of video you want to see the next. So today's video is about to end. I will see you in the next YouTube video. Love is bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end.